Hey, what's up guys, Stephen Cult of Mac here, and today I want to talk about a new piece of kit that I've been using to make all of these YouTube videos, which is my Rode NTG4 Plus microphone. Let's roll the intro and I'll tell you all about it. Okay, so if you've been following the channel for a while, hopefully you've noticed the quality of videos getting better and better over time. Well, I hope you have, otherwise I've been learning nothing. But one of my favourite things to do is to make the videos look and sound as beautiful as possible. That's why I've recently switched to a different camera, and I got in touch with the lovely folks over at Rode to ask if I could check out one of their boom mics. Thankfully they said yes and sent over the Rode NTG4 Plus. Before this I was using a Rode SmartLav Plus which hooked up to my iPhone, then a Rode NT USB mic which is great for doing voiceovers or podcasts, but not great for doing pieces to camera like this. Well, you can see why. So they sent over the NTG4 Plus, I bought myself a cheap microphone stand and a Zoom H6, and now my audio is super crispy. Let's take a look at my setup and the microphone itself. Right, here's my setup. I've got the NTG4 Plus which I'm recording sound on for the entire video, which is being held in the cheapest stand I could find on Amazon, which came out to around $22, which is then hooked up to a Zoom H6 recorder. I'm using the Zoom recorder as my GH5 camera doesn't have any XLR inputs. It gives me more control, and the H6 has some awesome preamps to avoid distortion and to eliminate as much hiss as possible. The NTG4 Plus mic itself retails for around $399, but at the time of recording this video it's currently listed for $337 on Amazon. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description down below. The build quality of the microphone itself is great, and it comes with a 10-year warranty, so you know that Rode trust in their products. There's 3 digital controls on the microphone, one for a 10 dB pad which doubles up as the on-off switch, a high frequency boost and a high pass filter. If you're new to microphones, the 10 dB pad reduces the output of the microphone so you can record louder sounds for events and so on. For example, I'm currently talking without the 10 decibel pad on, you can hear me really loud and really clear, but if I turn it on, now that it's on, the sound is a little bit quieter, which gives me more room to maneuver if the sound is peaking, if I've not got control with a voice recorder or the inbuilt controls on the camera that I'm using aren't good enough. The high pass filter helps to get rid of some of the low rumbles, so if you're filming outdoors with wind or traffic and so on, it'll help to eliminate it. The easiest way for me to demonstrate this is by blowing into the microphone and turning it on. And the last button is for the high frequency boost, which gives a bit of sparkle and a bit more presence for deep voices and dull sounds. One of the main reasons for switching to a boom mic was convenience. When I had the lapel mic or the NT USB, there was always a bit of setup time, but this way I can leave the rig altogether and get to recording my videos much quicker. Another brilliant feature with the NTG4 Plus is the built-in rechargeable lithium battery. It charges via USB, which is super handy for when I'm filming whilst travelling, so I can plug this into my laptop or car, and eliminates the need to find a AA battery or use phantom power, then draining the battery from my camera. It takes around 2 hours for a full charge, and then lasts up to 150 hours. And with my 3 to 4 minute videos, this means the microphone lasts me weeks between charges. In fact, since I've had the microphone I've only charged it once or twice, which is ideal for me as I'm awful at remembering to charge things. As it's a directional microphone, it's ideal for my setup as there can be a lot of surrounding noise that I don't have control over. Cars driving past, wind and hail, and as the microphone mainly picks up what's in front of it, it eliminates a lot of the surrounding noise for me. What's more, the sound quality in general is perfect, it's crisp and clear with deep bass, and the digital switches just help make everything so much easier. Whilst it's great for voiceovers and pieces to camera, it's great for indie filmmakers just for picking up general sound. To prove that point, here's a quick demo. Overall, there's nothing I'd change about this microphone. I've tried others in this price range, but the Rode delivers my favourite sound quality, has the most features, and I can't stress enough how great it is to have that battery built in. There's also a standard NTG4, which doesn't have the built-in rechargeable lithium battery. But currently its price point is $365, so it's a no-brainer to pick up the Plus model. Well, that is it for this video. Thanks again to the guys over at Rode for helping to up the quality of these videos. I really appreciate it. If you'd like to find out more about this microphone or pick one up, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video or would like to see more videos on what kit I use to make all of these YouTube videos, make sure to hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.